Stand united, the power of unity in language. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very inspiring phrase in the English language. Stand united. It's a call to come together, to collaborate, and to support one another. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it to inspire others and express solidarity. Stand united is a phrase that calls for individuals or groups to join together in support of a common cause or in facing a common challenge. It emphasizes the idea that there is strength in numbers, and by coming together, we can achieve more than we can alone. The phrase is often used to inspire teamwork and cooperation. Let's see Stand United in action. Imagine a group of workers who are negotiating for better conditions. They might say, "We must stand united if we want to see change." Or, consider a sports team before a big game. Their coach might encourage them with, "Together, we stand united and unstoppable." You can use Stand United to encourage unity and collective effort. It's great in motivational speeches, during team-building activities, or when discussing social and political movements. It's a powerful way to remind people that they are part of something bigger than themselves. The phrase, "Stand United," holds significant cultural weight, especially in contexts of activism and social justice. It symbolizes a common bond and shared purpose among diverse groups of people. It's a rallying cry that has been heard in movements throughout history. Stand united isn't just a phrase, it's a powerful expression of solidarity, cooperation, and mutual support. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase to inspire and bring people together. Remember, when we stand united, we amplify our ability to make a difference. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.